In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Bing settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the options you need and how to tailor Bing to your preferences in just a few clicks. Start by opening your favorite web browser and going to bing.com. You can do this on any modern browser on your computer. If you're on a phone or tablet, the layout might look a little different, but the key options are in the same general area. Once Bing loads, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see either your profile icon if you're signed in, or a simple three-dot menu. Click that area to open the menu. From there, choose Settings. Depending on your view, you might see Settings and then More, or just a single Settings link. Either option will take you to the main Settings page where you can manage content filtering, language, and regional preferences. Let's start with Safe Search, which controls how Bing filters adult content. In the Settings area, go to Safe Search. You'll see three choices: Strict, Moderate, or Off. Strict filters out adult text, images, and videos, which is a good option for shared devices or a family setting. Moderate allows general results but hides explicit images and videos and is a sensible default for most users. Off shows results without filtering, which may include explicit content. After you make your selection, scroll down if needed and click Save at the bottom so your changes stick. If you don't click Save, your preferences might not apply the next time you search. Next, adjust your language and region so the interface and results match what you expect. Some settings pages let you choose a display language, such as English, Filipino, or Spanish, so the menus and labels appear in the language you're most comfortable with. You can also set your country or region, which helps tailor search results to your location. This can improve things like local news, nearby services, and region-specific content. Keep in mind that changing the region may subtly affect the type of content you see, including trending topics and shopping results. After updating these preferences, give the page a moment to refresh. If you're not seeing changes right away, try running a new search or reloading the page. And that's it. Open Bing, head to the settings from the top right menu, choose your safe search level, and then set your display language and country or region. With these tweaks, Bing will feel more personalized, safer for your needs, and better aligned with your location.